How to add and remove members in WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have a latest version of WhatsApp application. So just go to the Play Store, and as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version, and I have the latest application and latest version of the application on my device. So I'm just going to tap and open, and it will lead me to the home page of the WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an account and WhatsApp group right now. Now to add the member, what you have to do is just tap on new group, and I'm going to add people over here. So I'm going to select one, and I'm going to add other people as well over here. So let's just search for the people that I want to add. Okay. So here's the group that I've created over here. Now let's toggle off this disappearing messages. Now I have these members over here. Now just tap on the profile and you can see there are 3 members over here. Okay, so you must be an admin in order to add or remove the members in the WhatsApp group. So as I'm an admin, I have already added these people. If you want to add other members, you can just tap on this option of add members and you'll be able to add other people. Now, if you want to remove or the members in the WhatsApp, all you have to do is just tap on the people and you can tap on this remove the person, then tap on OK, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.